Okay. Are you going to talk to me anymore? That's all you have to say? That's it? Do you want to go take a bath? You want to take a bath? You're going to get right in the camera. No, you're supposed to be in the movie, not looking at the movie. You want to take a bath, Liam? You want to call Grandma? Grandma? You wacko. Hey. Hey. I'm being attacked here. Oh, phew. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. Can you say like? No. No? Can you say hi to Daddy?
Hi.
No. Oh. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. No? That's all you have to say? You were talking up a storm earlier. Can you smile? Oh? Okay. Say bye-bye.